Hey there, everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and emotionally charged: the financial headaches that siblings can face when inheriting a home. It's a situation that many of us might not think about until we're in the thick of it, but it's a reality that can have a huge impact on family dynamics and finances. So let's explore this together and uncover some insights and strategies to navigate these tricky waters. Imagine this. You and your siblings have just inherited your grandmother's beloved home. It's a place filled with memories and a sense of family history. But along with those warm feelings, you're also inheriting a whole lot of responsibility. You're not just dealing with the grief of losing a loved one, but also the practicalities of managing a property and making tough decisions. It's a delicate balance between emotions and financial considerations. Now, here's where things get really interesting. When siblings inherit a home together, they often have to choose between selling, renting, or keeping it. And that's just the beginning. There are taxes, insurance, maintenance, and repairs to consider. It's like managing a business, as one financial advisor put it. You need to be present, have the cash flow, and make those tough calls. One of the key challenges is that siblings may have different goals. One sibling might want to keep the home as a rental for the cash flow, while another might prefer a one-time lump sum from selling. And let's not forget the emotional attachment to the property. It's a delicate dance between logic and sentiment. The story of Lizetta Rainey Braxton's family is a perfect example. After her grandparents passed away, her father and his siblings inherited the family home. Her father wanted to buy out his siblings, but the decision-making process took too long, and they had to demolish the home. It's a stark reminder that the costs of owning a home don't stop when the owner dies. Property taxes, insurance, and maintenance continue, and these can be a real strain on siblings trying to navigate their decisions. Another crucial aspect is the timing of selling the home. Under federal tax law, the inherited home's cost basis resets to its fair market value on the date of the owner's death. This means that any appreciation after that date is subject to capital gains tax. So, timing can have a significant impact on the financial outcome. Financial advisors emphasize that there's no one-size-fits-all answer to whether siblings should sell, rent, or keep an inherited home. The key is to have open and honest conversations with the property owner well before their passing. Creating a decision-making process among siblings or close family members can help avoid potential conflicts and delays. One strategy that financial advisors recommend is consulting with an estate planning attorney to create a will or trust. This can help avoid the public probate court process and ensure that the property's title is transferred to a trust, which can pass outside of probate and according to the owner's wishes. Building a timeline into the estate plan is another smart move. Braxton suggests including a clause that gives the trustee the right to sell the property if a decision hasn't been made within a certain time frame, say 6 months or a year. This can help prevent delays in maintenance and potential negative impacts on the property's value. The bottom line is that open communication and early planning are crucial. As one advisor put it, competing interests can strain even close relationships. So, having those tough conversations before the parents pass away is the single best piece of advice. In my opinion, this topic is a real eye-opener. It's a reminder that inheritance isn't just about the financial windfall. It's about the emotional weight and the practical challenges that come with it. It's a complex issue, and I hope this exploration has given you some food for thought, and maybe even inspired you to have those important conversations with your loved ones. So, until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep those lines of communication open. Peace out, everyone.